B. Tones. You know, Chinese pinyin has 4 tones. The first tone, the second tone, the third tone, the fourth tone. Here are their mark. First tone, second tone, third tone, fourth tone. Take A as an example. In Chinese, A pronounced R. Take R as example. We pronounce these 4 tones. They are R, 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 R. So, how to solve tones problem? Very simple, very easy. If you know English 4 tones, you will learn Chinese pinyin tones very easy. Let's compare. What's English tones? Maybe you don't know. Of course you know. English has 4 tones also. The flat tone, somewhat English flat tone, similar as Chinese first tone. English rising tone, somewhat similar as Chinese second tone. And English falling tone, it's almost the same with Chinese fourth tone. And English has a lot of weak tones. In Chinese, we call soft tone. In Chinese, we have only 4 tones. Soft tone, not an inherent tone. Just the 4 tones lose their original pronunciation, change it to pronounce weak, soft, light, and short in some situation, but almost equal. I said somewhat similar. It is to say up to a point similar, not exactly the same. But you still can learn Chinese tones through learning English tones. Oh, and the Chinese third tone. Chinese third tone, it's about a transition from a soft tone to a second tone. Later, I will tell you. To foreigner, the 4 tones and the soft tones, only the first tone and the second tone more difficult. So we solve the first tone and second tone first. Do you know many English nouns, their first syllable, they pronounce very similar as Chinese, the first tone. Let's check these words. Listen, please. Baby, 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 baby. Of course, it is first tone. And this one, father, father, of course. Mother, mother, ma. And future, the first tone. And often, the first tone. Now, did you get it? English already has the similar first tone of Chinese pinyin. Okay? Now, the second tone. I know there is no second tone in English words, but in English sentences, some words pronounce just like Chinese second tone, especially in English question. Let's check here. Will you, please? Will you, you. Yes, you is the second tone. And this, which school do they attend? Which, we, also the second tone. Now here, did you shine at school? You the same. So you get the second tone in English questions. Just I pronounce the end of these questions in falling tone. Now we change to rising tone. You can find more second tone. Look, will you please? Will you please? You, Li. And this, which school do they attend? Which and attend. This, did you shine at school? Gu. See, all really are Chinese second tone. Now, you are familiar with English tones. And now you know some English tones really similar as Chinese tones. You can try to find more. Okay, now we talk about the third tone. Just now we learned the third tone, almost a transition from a soft tone to a second tone. How to understand it? Let me to tell you this. School. Just now we pronounce school. S is a weak tone or soft tone. Gu is a second tone. So school together, just like the Chinese third tone. And these two words, we is just weak tones or soft tone. You is second tone. You just like 你好 from weak to second tone. Not one word, but you can these two words, but together just like the third tone. About the falling tones, the fourth tones, English have a lot of falling tones that almost exactly just like fourth tones. Like this. Two is the fourth tone. Two. Tone. Weak. Third. They all really are Chinese fourth tone. You familiar with English tones? And English tones, you can get Chinese four tones and soft tones. So that's easy. It's no more difficult for you because you already know there are four tones. Just you didn't realize all English tones and Chinese tones, almost the same or similar. Okay? I think now you understand.